Hi everyone, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. Today we are on the beach and I'm just going to show you how to make a beautiful grilled lunch for your loved ones. So today we're going to be making some fish tacos. So I'm going to be making shrimp and haddock tacos today. So we're going to show you how we did that, and we got everything from Walmart. So just making a little pit stop on the way here. We got everything we need, and so here we go. We're going to start off with our shrimp. And cheers to you all. I hope you're having a wonderful Independence Day. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I got the raw shrimp that are already peeled and deveined, but we're also going to make sure that they are deveined. Anytime you get shrimp, you always have to clean the belly side and the back side, as well as taking off the tails. And then we also got some haddock. So what we did is we just bought these yesterday and put them in our hotel refrigerator so that they could thaw out, you know, the night for the night. So then now we know that they're ready to go and they're ready to be processed. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to start with opening up our shrimp, and I'm just going to pour them into my styrofoam bowl here. And then we're just going to start to devein them, and I'm going to show you how we do this. Obviously you have to bring a knife with you when you're doing this. So what they mean by deveined is they deveined the backside. You don't want to score it too much to where it butterflies it, but see how the belly, if you can see in there, see that dark vein? That also needs to come out as well. So we're going to trim off the tail, and then we're just going to slice in on the belly. And this isn't the best knife, but honestly we're on the beach here, so this is as good as we have. And see how that comes out? Now that shrimp is ready to be processed and marinated. So I'm just going to pop the clean ones back in my bag, because we're just going to do this simply inside the bag. I'm going to go ahead and devein the back and the belly and untail all of these shrimp. I'll show you a couple more just so you can kind of get the idea. You want to make sure there's no vein in there. If you're wondering what that vein is, it's actually bow. I talk about it in some of my other shrimp videos. You want to make sure that you don't obviously eat that. When you go to a lot of restaurants, they actually they'll clean the backside, but they don't clean the belly for whatever reason. And honestly, they should know better. But a lot of them don't. I think they're lazy. And then untailing them too. Let's take that off. But these are going to be beautiful. The bigger the shrimp that you buy, that you can afford. And these were very affordable. I think these were on sale for like maybe $7 for this whole pack. I noticed if you get raw shrimp, it's cheaper than cooked shrimp. And this was from the freezer section. See how that comes out nice and clean? Yeah, it is a little bit cheaper if you buy the raw shrimp over the cooked. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to process all this shrimp, and then we'll bring you back whenever we're ready to season them and marinate them. So I'll see you guys back here in just a few minutes. Alrighty guys, so now we have our shrimp all cleaned and our tails removed. So I just put them back in our bag, and now we're gonna season. We're gonna season right in the bag, and then yeah, just kind of mix it up like a little marinade, and we'll pop them on the grill. So first we're using onion powder. Garlic powder. And meanwhile, our grill is heating up right now with the charcoal. Paprika. And parsley. We're using parsley. You can also use cilantro if you'd like. And then salt and pepper. just going to give them a little bit of a mix in our bag. And then we're going to set these aside back in the cooler until we're ready to put them on our grill, because our grill has to heat up first. And then next we're going to work on our fish. All right, so we have our haddock in our bowl now. And we're going to season them up with the same thing: salt, pepper, garlic powder, parsley, paprika, and our onion powder. We'll just give them a little mix. And then for on top of our tacos, we have pico de gallo, along with some cilantro lime sauce. Our grill is almost heated up. By pre-seasoning it like this, especially with the salt, it's going to pull the water out of the fish. So that'll help for you to get a better, definitely a better sear on everything as well. So we're going to mix this up, and then we'll bring you guys back whenever we are adding everything to the grill. Alright, you guys, so we have our little grill heating up here. It is all ready to go. So what I'm going to do is put our foil down, because otherwise our fish are going to stick to the grill. And it is a little windy out here, so we kind of got to do it in such a way. So we're going to put 2 down, and then I'll put the lid on top. That'll help press it down. Grab the lid, and then we're gonna, because obviously everything's hot, just help smash down. And then we're gonna grab our tongs and just kind of curl that in. Okay. Next, our shrimp are ready to go. So we're just gonna pour these in. Always turn that lid away from you guys. Once you get the food on there, that foil will help keep it down. We're going to spread those out in a minute once we get our food on. Okay, ready. And now we're just going to grab our tongs, put our fish on, and then we're going to spread out the rest of our fish here. If you've worked with your grill before, you kind of know where the hot spots are. But with the foil on it, honestly, it gives it a good barrier so that they don't cook too fast. So yeah, we'll just pop the lid on, and then now this is going to slow cook. And obviously we're sitting right here, so we are just going to keep an eye on it. And we'll be checking it probably every 4 minutes. And we do have the vent open as well on the bottom and the top. Alright, guys, so it has been about a good 8 minutes, and it's cooking very nicely. I'm going to take our tongs and just flip over everything. Give it a nice little spin. It's cooking nice and slow, the way I want it, so that nothing overcooks. This foil is perfect because it's really not sticking at all, which is just what we want. Then we're going to spin over our haddock. I'm going to keep it nice and flaky. See how beautiful that is? This isn't really going to need much more time. Mark says it's smelling amazing. Here we go. We're going to pop the lid back on. And it's probably only going to need another, we're going to keep checking it, but probably about another 4 to 6 more minutes. So approximately 18 to 20 minutes total. All right, guys, our fish is done. So now we're going to put our pita down on our grill. soften it up, cook it up for us. So we had to turn up the heat on our little grill here. So what we did is we add some more lighter fluid and relit it, and that brings up the temperature. So now these are just gonna little char for us, and that's gonna be, this is only gonna take maybe 1.5, 2 minutes tops. We're gonna turn them over, and we want them to get nice and charred, kind of like what this is here, but obviously that's from the store. So yeah, we'll see you guys back here when it's all put together. Like I said, we have a little pico de gallo for it, and a little bit of, is it cilantro lime sauce? Yeah, for the top of them, and then we have some side salad. So we'll see you guys back here when we're plating it all up. So Mark is showing us how to grill the pita. It's very, very hot, so he's just putting them on the grill, and then you're putting the lid on, right, babe? How long are you letting them cook on for each side?
I'd say about a minute and a half, then flip them, check them, because otherwise you're going to toast too much at the one end.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Alrighty guys, so we are finished with our haddock and shrimp fish taco with some pico de gallo and some of this cilantro lime sauce. We got it all at Walmart, and it just really made it easy and really gave it a wonderful flavor. So yeah, so enjoy your summer. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.